Hello guys, welcome back! In this video, I am going to disclose my Daraz order package with you, so let's begin. I will share review of these products. Stay connected. These products and things is in description. video, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more. Let's meet in new videos. Stay connected with me. Allah